So hello everyone, today we will learn the how to select some values in a MySQL table to Python. So let's start. First of all, we will check the here like pipe list, and this pipe list don't have that MySQL package. So first we want that one. So we can use like pipe install like mysql dash connector python simply, and we can check this one again, pipe list. Yeah, this one is already installed, so we can use this one like import, and we can use mysql dot connector as a SQL. So simple. And after that we can use here like db is equals to SQL dot connect, and in this we can use host is equal to local host user is equals to root password password is equals to ABCD1234. This is my laptop password or my database password, and we can use here like database is equals to test db. So simple. And fifth one we needed like auth plugin. So simple, and we can use here mysql native password. So simple, and we can check it is connect or not. So we can type here print test simply, and now we can hit here like python main.py and hit showing the py1 mysql connector. I did the spelling mistake, that's why. So here is the correct message is showing us cannot connect the MySQL server. Oh, first we need to check it is start or not. So I will check here. So in this case my is off, that's why it's showing error. So I will start this one A B C, and after this we can check test is showing or not. So close this one and type here again python py. Yeah, test is showing, it means that's working. So we can take here like c is equals to what db dot cursor. So after that we can use here like c dot execute query, and using select star from emp, and after that we can use here like data is equals to c dot fetch all. So and after that we can use here like for I is equals to in data, and we can print die. So simply before this we can check amp employee table is there or not. So we can use your terminal and check employees there in mysql u root p and abcd1234 in my case, and use test db which already we are mentioned, and show tables. Here is no table is, we need to create that one. So we can create like using create table emp and user id is int 20, primary key auto increment, and after that name is varchar 20. So simple, and we can insert one record for the fetching purpose. So we can use here insert into emp like name values is like ram. So simple. Yeah, select star from emp, we can check. Yeah, it's showing good. So we can come here and try to hit here like python main.py. Oh, execute, spelling wrong again, execute. So simple. Yeah, here is showing us one ram. So, and suppose I want print only ram, then I will put here index is 1 and check ram. It is very pretty cool to the checking the select statement with the python, and we can fetch all data using this way to the table database to the python. So in the next video we can check the CRUD operations also. So if you have any doubt or any query, please give me the comment and message me or something like that, and please like and subscribe. So keep enjoying CRUD operations. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.